So this is review number 517 and this is Asus and Vivobook Pro 14 and it's OLED display and we're fixing the hinge, broken hinge on both sides and the mainboard itself got short and replaced one of the MOSFET. Let me show you. Yeah, one of the MOSFET is short. It's not able to turn on. Right now we fix it. Let's try to turn it on. Alright guys, and if you plug in the adapter, you will see the orange light. That means it indicates the charging circuit is working. Now try to turn it on. Yeah, we got the display on the screen, logo, backlight, loading the window. Everything seems to be fine. So that's it guys. If you have the same problem, feel free to contact us at the Smiley Service, any branch at the Bangkok. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye bye.